In a quiet desert village, there lived a very rich, but very greedy man. His name was Kareem. He loved only one thing: his golden dinars. Every night, when everyone slept, he secretly buried his treasure under a lonely palm tree. No one knew, or so he believed. One night, a powerful sandstorm covered the village. Kareem rushed outside to protect his treasure. But when he reached the palm tree, the box was gone. His golden dinars had disappeared. As he cried in the storm, a mysterious traveler appeared. The traveler asked him one question: "Did you ever use your treasure to help anyone?" Kareem said no. "Then," said the traveler, "you have lost nothing." The next morning, the village was damaged. Homes were broken. Children were crying. For the first time, Kareem felt something new. He felt pain in his heart. He remembered the traveler's words. Slowly, he took the dinars he still had, and began helping everyone. He repaired homes. He fixed the mosque. He worked beside the villagers. And something amazing happened. The more he gave, the happier he became. Days later, he found his old treasure box again. But this time, he did not bury it, because he had learned the secret. True treasure is not gold. True treasure is kindness. Soft uplifting music fade out.